For most users, smartwatches are convenience tools. For creators and analysts, they're workflow devices. The Huawei Watch GT 7 Pro becomes interesting not for what it promises on paper, but for how it might change daily usage patterns in a way competitors are already betting on. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. Huawei's GT series has been winning, but not evolving in the way competitors fear. The Watch GT 6 Pro showed what Huawei does best: insane battery endurance up to 21 days in typical usage claims, premium titanium build, and very strong GPS positioning through its sunflower-style multi-satellite system. But if you look at community feedback, a pattern appears. Users love it, then stop talking about it. That silence matters. Because while Huawei refined hardware, the competition changed the rules. Apple Watch Ultra 3 is pushing deeper into satellite communication and ecosystem lock-in. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra Direction is leaning harder into AI health summaries and Wear OS integration. Garmin, meanwhile, is shifting into a completely different category: less smartwatch, more outdoor decision system, with micro-LED experiments and advanced training load analytics. Now the rumored Watch GT 7 Pro sits in the middle of this tension. First major rumor cluster, not confirmed: Huawei moving toward independence features, LTE, or expanded standalone capability. This isn't just a spec upgrade, it's a strategic shift. Because without phone-free functionality, Huawei risks staying in the fitness tracker disguised as smartwatch category, while competitors evolve into full autonomous devices. Second shift is more subtle, but more important: data depth versus data simplicity. Garmin is winning serious athletes with raw, complex performance metrics. Apple is winning mainstream users with clean, AI-generated insights. Huawei is stuck balancing both. TrueSense health tracking already offers ECG, arterial stiffness, and stress analysis. But users still describe the ecosystem as limited outside fitness. That gap is where GT 7 Pro pressure builds. Third insight comes from leaks and industry chatter, including 2026 smartwatch trend reports. Brands are now optimizing for decision-making, not tracking. Watches are expected to tell users what to do, not just show numbers. Garmin is already experimenting with metabolic insights and advanced load prediction. Samsung is pushing AI coaching layers. Huawei's challenge? Turning raw sensor strength into actionable intelligence without losing its legendary battery efficiency. And here's the real turning point. Reddit discussions around GT6 devices show a split personality in users. Some call it the best health-first wearable, others call it too isolated compared to Wear OS ecosystems. That split defines GT 7 Pro's entire future. Thank you for watching. The Watch GT 7 Pro isn't just another upgrade cycle, it's a positioning decision in a fragmented smartwatch world. Fitness tool, AI coach, or standalone device? Huawei can't stay in between much longer. What direction do you think actually wins in 2026? Ecosystem depth or battery-first simplicity? Let us know in the comments.